Hello everyone. In this video, I am going to solve an interesting geometry problem. We have a triangle. Consider this triangle is A, B, C, and this point as D. In here, we have AC is equal to 8 unit. This DC is equal to 6 unit. AD, this length is 8 unit, and BD, this is 2 unit. We have to find the length of this side AB. At first, draw a perpendicular line to the base from this point A. Consider this is that perpendicular line and this point is E. Now, in triangle ADE and in triangle ACE, this AD is equal to this AC, and this line is common to this triangle, and this angle is 90 degree and this angle is also 90 degree because this is a perpendicular line. So these two triangles are congruent. For this region, the side length DE is equal to this EC, as DC is equal to 6 unit. So DE is half of this DC. So this DE, this is 3 unit, and this EC, this is also 3 unit. Now in triangle AEC, this is a right angle triangle because this is 90 degree. Applying Pythagoras theorem to this triangle, we can write this AE square plus this EC square is equal to this hypotenuse A is AC. So AC square, or this AE square plus EC, this EC is 3 unit, so we can write 3A square is equal to AC, this is 8 unit, so 8A square, or this AE square plus 3A square is 9 is equal to 8A square, this is 64. Now taking this 9 to right side, we can write AE square is equal to this 64 minus this 9 is equal to 64 minus 9, this is 55. Now taking a square root to both sides, we will get the value of AE. So this AE is equal to, this will be square root of 55. So this length, this is square root of 55. Now focus on triangle ABE. This is also a right angle triangle because this angle AEB is 90 degree. So applying Pythagoras theorem here again, we can write this AB square is equal to this AE square, this height AE square plus base this BE square. BE square is equal to AE. This is square root of 55. So substitute this value, square root of 55 and this square, plus BE. BE is equal to BD plus DE. As BD is equal to 2 unit, DE is equal to 3 unit. So BE, this will be 2 plus 3, 5 unit. So BE is 5 unit and this square is equal to this square root and this square. This will be cancel out and it will be 55 plus 5 square. This is 25 is equal to 55 plus 25. This is 80. Now taking square root to both sides, we will get AB is equal to this square root of 80 is equal to square root of 80 is 16 times 5. This is 80 is equal to square root of 16. This is 4 and this is square root of 5. And this is the length of AB. We have to find this AB. So this is 4 times square root of 5. And this is the solution of our given problem. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.